This happens to be the most insane beer cheese baked potato we've ever made, with pulled pork, bacon, Raising Cane sauce, and barbecue sauce. So let's get to cooking. So let's go ahead and make our cheese sauce. We already got the pulled pork heated up, which this is leftover pulled pork. If you watch the video on how I smoke overnight pulled pork and then vacuum seal it, this is why. I actually tasted it. It tastes like day number 1. But let's go ahead and make our roux. And we're doing a butter roux. Butter. And I'm happy that beer cheese today is using Yingling. I feel like our cheese game's getting strong. Our roux coming around. And all the roux that we've made, they're always going to be equal parts oil, whatever that may be, and flour. I'm just going to get a little toast on this flour. Milk. This is the part that takes the longest. You got to incorporate everything. Get the cheese going. Start working the beer. It's going to be a lot of cheese sauce. That's okay. You can already smell that beer. Like that? Just a little bit of Dijon. A little bit of Worcestershire. SPG. Double pepper cow cover. I've been thinking about this. This smells fantastic. It's hot right now, so it is going to cool down and it is going to thicken up. Woo! Hot. Now for garnish, bacon. Can't go wrong with the bacon. Pulled pork. This was also made with double pepper cow cover. This is a homemade Raising Cane's copy sauce, whatever. A little bit of chives. Got to have the chives. Obviously, sour cream and comp sauce. A little drizzle comp sauce. A little drizzle cane sauce. You can't go wrong. This sucker is hot. Let's get her dressed up. Always see those guys that do that, you know. I never can do it like they do, so I always have to just kind of, you know. I tell you what I like is potato bars. If you've ever had a party or been to a party where they have a potato bar, phenomenal. Everybody can kind of make their own. You can do mac and cheese. You can do brisket. You can, you know, make it as wide-ranging as you want. But we are going to do a heap. Let's do this. I feel like the cheese needs to go on top. Oh, man. Yes and yes. Does it need more cheese, you think? I mean, a little bit.
It's good to be.
A little bit can't hurt nobody, right? That's a lot of cheese. This is me at the potato bar. Got a little bacon. I get back to the table and my wife's like, hey, what are you doing, man? I think this is my calories for the day. I'm like, man.
Blacked out.
I blacked out. All right, here we go. Can't forget the daisy. And then the finisher. And that, my friends, is a lot of potato. Now, all we gotta do is taste it. Alright, so for this one right here, if I actually walk back, this thing weighs, I bet this thing weighs 3 pounds. But, a little bit of everything. Oh, that's so good. So you have the salt from the bacon, the pulled pork, the beer cheese, it's just so creamy. The cane sauce and the comp sauce, this is like last meal shit right here. That's real good. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like what we're doing, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And if you want this recipe, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes, print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Butter. Butter. It's warm, but it's still good. That's what separates the men from the boys right here.